How serverless computing actually works. Serverless computing allows applications to run without managing servers. The servers still exist, but they are not directly visible to users. Serverless shifts responsibility from infrastructure to execution. Here is how serverless computing actually works. Serverless removes server management from users. In serverless computing, users do not manage servers. They do not provision machines, configure operating systems, manage capacity directly. The platform handles these tasks automatically. Code is executed in response to events. Serverless workloads run when something happens. This may include a request arriving data being updated, a scheduled trigger firing. Execution is event-driven rather than continuously running. Execution environments are created automatically. When an event occurs, the platform creates an execution environment. This environment loads the required code, provides temporary resources, runs the task. Once execution finishes, the environment may be removed. Resources are allocated only when needed. Serverless systems allocate resources dynamically. No resources are reserved when nothing is running. Capacity is provided only during execution. This model reduces idle usage. Scaling happens automatically. Serverless platforms scale execution automatically. If many events occur at once, multiple execution environments are created, tasks run in parallel. Scaling happens without manual configuration. Execution time is limited. Serverless workloads have defined limits. Limits may include maximum execution time, memory usage, resource consumption. These limits encourage short-lived tasks. State is managed externally. Serverless executions are temporary. They do not retain state between runs. Persistent data must be stored in external services. This design encourages stateless execution. Failures are handled by retry and replacement. If an execution fails, the platform may retry it. Failed environments are discarded. New executions start in clean environments. This reduces the impact of individual failures. Serverless changes application design. Because execution is temporary, applications adapt. They are designed to respond to events, scale quickly, tolerate restarts. Serverless influences architecture as much as deployment. Closing serverless computing abstracts infrastructure and focuses on execution. It runs code on demand, scales automatically, and manages resources internally. That is how serverless computing actually works.